So they get moved to the new coop, the big coop. And we've got, from what I can see, 1, 2 black sex lynx. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 barred rocks. Tractor Supply I bought was supposed to be 12 sex lynx because they only live for a certain amount of time. There's another barred rock. Oh, there's my brown sex lynx. I don't think they're happy with their new friends. I think they're afraid of them little chickens. Oh, this guy here wants to see what the heck's going on. Mm-hmm. Well, good luck, little chickens.